All right, what we have here is we have a Iris 3-piece airtight pet food storage container. Now, what I love about this is I think that I did what everybody else did and used one of those old food containers that doesn't really look good. It just sits in the back corner. It's a way to keep mice out if you have any issues with mice or you have any ants or anything like that. And then when we found this, we were able to actually see how much food is in there. And I know I said 3-piece, so you're probably wondering what those 3 pieces are. And basically, you have this food container down here which holds all of your food, and as you see it has wheels there so that you can move it around on the floor, whether it's tile, whether it's linoleum, whether it's wood, or even carpet. And then you have this second portion here, and as you see, it just pops right off. It literally has grooves there and down here at the bottom where it just sits in there, and then the whole thing is movable. So the bottom portion, what you're going to have is you're going to keep all of your food down there, and then the top portion up here, you can keep anything, whether it's going to be medications or if it's going to be snacks. I happen to keep snacks in mine, and that's what's in here in the first part, which is what Oliver is doing here. And yeah, so there you go with that. And what I noticed also is that if you had the room, you had another container, one of these small storage containers, it actually has the grooves in this as well so that you can sit another on top. So let's say you wanted to have your medications and your snacks all at the same time, and then you'll be able to just do that. Now let me go ahead and give him a piece and see how easy it is just to go ahead and... The other thing it does, I keep all of my stuff in plastic bags anyway, because it is airtight, then your food is going to stay fresh for months and months and months to come. So the third portion, like I said before, that's about how big it is right there. So it holds a good amount. The other portion would be for the food. That just pops right open like that. And then as you can see, the seal here, that's what makes it airtight. So you get a nice good seal, and every time you open it, it's almost like you're opening a new bag, because that's what it smells like. So you have a scooper that it actually comes with, so you can scoop your food and put it wherever you need to put it, and go on about your day. And like I said, because it is see-through, you are able to know when you are running out of food. So let me just put this back together. As simple as that. That's how easy it is right there. That's what the bottom wheels look like. As you can see, I've been using them, and assembly was easy because those just fit right into the casters, and you just pop them right in, and then you are good to go. It comes with 9 different colors. This color here is blue. I know it comes with red, it comes with dark gray chrome, it comes in black, so depending on your kitchen scheme, it's going to depend on what kind of colors that you're going to want for it. They're pretty durable, and it's really hard cast right there. And the plastic is a plastic airtight container. It's ideal for storing not only dog food, but cat food as well, or any other pets that you might have. Say it's rabbits, because rabbit food is pretty much the same kind of consistency as dog food, and if you're keeping them outside, you're keeping them inside, it's a nice place to keep that and keep it away from other pests that you don't want to get in there. It has the airtight seals, like what I was saying before. These airtight white seals right here, they're beautiful, and it does its job easy, and it goes all the way around. And then you have these snaps, and these snaps is what seals it down. So the only thing that's really missing is that kind of coffee sound once you do it, which just goes like, doesn't do that. But it would be nice if it did. I would know for sure. Oh, another good thing about this as well is that it is a BPA free rolling storage bin. So it's BPA free, and that's a nice thing for your loved ones that you have. You know that they're going to be safe with this type of plastic because it is BPA free. It's got a 33 quart storage container down here. 33 quarts. That's pretty big. It holds about, I'm going to say about 25 pounds of food. And the top portion is a 12 quart. So this top snack or top medical portion up here, that's 12 quarts, and that holds, if you were going to put food in there, it'll hold about 10 pounds of food. So you have 25 pounds down here at the bottom, which is your typical bag of food that you're going to be buying, unless you have big, huge dogs. If you do, you probably are going to want to pick up a couple more of these. Or for cats, it's perfect. I don't think you buy really 25 pounds of food for that. And then 10 pounds up here. And let's say you had a smaller dog, you could only put your 10 pounds up here, and if that's how you buy. And then down here, you could keep blankets or pillows or toys, even whatever really it is that you want, because it's big enough to make that happen. Plus it has the wheels so that you can roll it around everywhere you need to roll it around to. And the dimensions on it, if you can't tell how small or how big it is for you, it's 16.5 by 10.83 by 18.63. So anyway, that's it right there. Go ahead and put your dog food, cat food, rabbit food, guinea pig food, whatever you want.